All right, well, the newest tools in job hunting, Facebook and Twitter, of course. The key to success in today's volatile economy is in changing careers. So that's what Alexandra Levitt says. She is a career expert with Money Magazine. She's joining us this morning. Good morning, Alexandra. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning, Layla. How are you?
Good. So, okay, we're talking about changing your job, something that can be very intimidating and something that has also made headlines with flight attendants certainly finding interesting ways of changing their jobs sometimes. Where do we start with something like this, though? It's something that I would think is a little scary to do.
It absolutely is scary to do, and what I think makes it a little bit easier is to know the hot fields that are actually adding jobs as opposed to diminishing or downsizing. And one of the things we did yesterday at DeVry University's career conference is identify those fields. And some of the fields that we looked at were healthcare management and technology, information security, which is an offshoot of information technology, working with computers, and accounting. Because in fact, through 2018, these are going to be the fields where people are the most in demand, where the skill sets are most important, and in particular, healthcare management and technology. By 2018, 1 in 10 jobs in America will be in this sector due to an increasing aging population and expanding coverage. So if you're looking for a new job and you're at all interested in healthcare, whether it's on the patient side or behind the scenes, this is a great, great path to take.
Okay, so what about the opposite side of that? I mean, healthcare obviously demanding, and you're going to have a job and be safe there. Are there any industries that you should probably be worried about?
Well, I know retail has been one that has struggled quite a bit. Manufacturing was struggling a little bit, seems to be making a little bit of a comeback, but the media industry has been really suffering quite a lot.
Yikes.
So, yeah, I know. I mean, unfortunately, the fields that we tend to think of as being the most desirable are the ones that are the most glutted and the ones that are shedding jobs right now.
What are the mistakes that people are making, other than maybe being in the wrong job?
Well, I think that people feel like they have to overhaul their career overnight. And most people find that prospect to be very, very daunting. And so I recommend to people that they take one intelligent step at a time. And in pursuing a field like healthcare management and technology, you do need to acquire a specific skill set, learning how to do things like code bills for insurance, for example. And to do that, you can earn a degree that's very specific in terms of helping you get those skills. And one thing that I love about DeVry University is it offers those specialized degrees, and the education is very career focused, so it gives you a very specific idea of what exactly you're going to do when you get out, and it allows you to pursue the education at your own pace, online, on the weekends, do one course at a time, so that you don't have to overhaul your existing life.
All right, Alexandra Levitt from Money Magazine giving us some good tips there. Although, Alexandra, I'm not very happy about the media industry being in trouble here. That's not good news for me. But, thanks for being honest, I guess. Thanks so much for joining us, and I hope you have a great weekend.
Okay, thanks so much. And for more information, feel free to visit devry.edu.
All right, thanks, Alexandra.
Hey, we have a winner.